Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. So, children, good morning. So,
Good
last
morning.
class we started a new chapter. What's that? Decimals.
Decimals.
So, we will revise quickly. So, those who are absent or those who have any doubt, we will be able to understand it clearly. So, decimals. So, as we studied in class 4, you know how to convert fractions to decimals and decimals to fractions. For example, 4 by 10. How you will write as a decimal? 0.4. So you will check after the decimal point how many places we will compare the number of zeros in the denominator. So here 10 is the denominator. 4 by 10. 10 is the denominator. And how many zero is there in 10?
One.
So after the decimal point, there should be only one number, one place. Okay. So children, we know decimal number has two parts. That is one whole number part, then one decimal point, then decimal part. Okay. So here, whole number part, we can also say integral part. Integral part, whole number, they are same. Then we will write the decimal point, then decimal places. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then we discuss the place value chart. So we know before the decimal places, we know the number that place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. We learn till crore. Yes, children?
Yes.
We know that normal numbers. Now, after the decimal point, it is 10th, THS. Don't forget to add THS. 10th, 100th, 1000th. Normally, we will write till 1000th only. After the decimal, normally we will write 3 decimal places. Okay. So, remember these place values. 10th, 100th, 1000th. Understood? Okay. Then we discussed what is like decimal and unlike decimal. Like decimal, who remember what is like decimal? Yes, Agni?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
One by one.
same
One by
number
one.
of decimal.
One by one. First Agni, yeah.
Decimal places that have equal
digits.
What?
Equal decimal places of
Okay, okay.
fraction
Anthony. Yes, Anthony. Yes.
and equal decimal places of a fraction is called.
Okay, Gautam.
Equal decimal.
Hmm.
And
Uh.
equal digits and places.
You can say same number of decimal places. Okay. We cannot say equal number. We can say it should not be. We have to check whether they have same number of decimals. If it is same number of decimals, what we will say? Like decimals. Like decimals. If it is not the same number of decimals places, what we will say? Unlike decimals. Okay. So children,
Decimals.
so before starting new topic, we will, yes, who is?
Ma'am, I can't see your video.
What happened?
And now I can see the vacancy. Ma'am, I was not able to see your video.
What happened? What about other children?
Ma'am, it's clear. I think so. It's
Clear.
clear.
Maybe some network issue. Okay, Manu?
Okay, ma'am.
Maybe if you want to leave and join again, you can do that. Okay. So children, we will discuss some examples. Then we will start a new topic. So before starting, we will discuss with some examples. 7 by 10. This is a fraction. Okay. I want to convert this into decimal. Convert this fraction into decimal. Okay. Who can, Chinmay, can you say the answer, Chinmay?
0.7.
0.7. So I told children, you have to, how you can check after the decimal point, we have only one place, one digit. So we will check here the denominator. How many zeros is there? How many zero? We have only one zero. So after the decimal point also we have one place. Okay. Now 7 by 100. Yes, Anadesh, can you tell me? How can I write this? Anadesh. Is there any problem? Yes, Devak.
Yes, ma'am.
How we can write 7 by 100?
0.07.
Very good. 0.07. Children, this is only 7. And we have to have 2 decimal places after the decimal point. Why? Because we have 2 zeros in 100. But if you write 0.70, this is wrong. 70 means it will be 70 by 100. Okay, here we have only 7. We don't have 70. We don't have 70. So this is correct, 0.07. So convert fraction into decimal. Okay, now, okay. Before that, Anandesh video was stuck, maybe because of network. So here convert fraction into decimal. What do you have to do? Look at the decimal places. How many decimal places after the decimal point? We have to look at the number of zeros in the denominator. Here we have only 1 0 and here we have only 1 decimal place. Here we have 2. Here also we have 2. So convert. We have to go back. If it is given 0.7, how you can convert into fraction? You will write the number 7. Check how many place here. Only 1 place. That means we have only 1 zeros in the denominator. That is opposite. Convert a fraction into decimal, and from here decimal to fraction. Okay, this you have learned in class 4. We are just revising. And here it is 0.07. Here we have 0.7. If you write also, 7 and 0.7, they are same. We can write 7. Here we have 2 places. So in the denominator also we should have how many zeros? 2 zeros. So 7 by 100. So this is converting decimal to fraction and fraction to decimal. Now we learned like decimals. Like decimals, what we learned? Like decimals. Like decimals. What is like decimals? In the decimal place, we should have same number of decimal places. For example, we learned 18.3, 16.4, 13.5. After the decimal point, we have only 1 place. So all these are like decimals. Understood? We can take another set. For example, 6.05, 7.83, 9.32. Here, how many decimal places? Yes, Madhav, can you say how many decimal places here after the decimal point?
And 2.
2. And here also 2, here also 2, here also 2. So these are like decimals. What are they? Like decimals. And if you want to write unlike decimals, children, please listen carefully. We just started this in the last class. Here we have unlike decimals. Unlike decimals. Unlike decimals means after the decimal, that is the number of decimal places will be different. For example, here I have 7.5, here 3.78, 4.956. Okay, Yes, Ananda, can you tell me in the first example, how many decimal places after the point, after the decimal point? Yes, Ananda?
1, ma'am.
1. Here we have only one decimal place. Here how much we have?
2, ma'am.
2 decimal place. Here we have 3 decimal place. So they are unlike. Understood? They are unlike decimal. Here, because the number of places, here we have only 1, here we have 2, here we have 3. So we will consider only the places after the decimal point. After the decimal point, how many places, how many decimal places are there? If they are same number, we will say like decimals. If they are different, we will say unlike decimals. Understood? Yes, children? Okay. Now, today we will start with how to convert unlike decimals to like. Unlike to, we will convert unlike decimals to like decimals. Unlike decimal means the number of decimal places will be different. After the decimal point, there will not be same number of decimal places. So we have to convert unlike decimals to like decimals. Sophia, can you tell me what is like decimals? Like decimals? Fia?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Yes, ma'am.
Like decimals means what?
Decimal numbers having an equal numbers of decimal places are called like decimals.
Means after the decimal point, these here 1, 3, 2, 4. Here we have 2 decimal place. Here also we have 2 decimals. We are not checking the number before the decimal point. We are not counting the number before the decimal point. We are not checking. We will check only the numbers after the decimal point. Here we have 2 decimal place. Here also we have 2 decimal place. But here we have 7.5, 6.54. So Isha, can you say, are they like fractions or unlike fractions?
Unlike fractions.
They are
Unlike fractions.
unlike fractions. So children, how we can make a like fraction, like decimals? What we will do? We will check which numbers have more number of decimal places. More number of decimal places. And we will just add zeros after that number. We will not add zeros to the front, but we will add zeros to the right side of the number, decimal place. I will show you. Here I have 2 decimal place. This is the maximum. Here I have only 1. What will I do? I will place 1 0. Then here also 2 decimal. Here also 2 decimal place. So they will become like decimals. So children, very easy. What you have to do? You have to add zeros to the right of the decimal place. Yes, Ayman?
Ma'am, so we will only add 0 to the right side of the smallest number.
Yes, we will add only. Okay.
And so first we will do some examples of this and then we'll start workbook, right?
Usually what we will do, Ayman. Like that only. So children, here we have here only all, here we have 2 decimal, here 2 decimal. So this is like decimals. Okay. Now, if I have 3 numbers, 3.7, 4.98, 5.374. Yes, another check now your video is okay. Audio is okay now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me which number have more decimal places?
And the last one.
Ma'am, 5.374.
5.374. Here, how much?
3
How
decimal.
many? 3 places. We have 3 decimal places. So what we will, first we will check, in the first step, we will check which number have more number of decimal places. Here we have 3. Here we have 2. Here we have 2. 1. But now next step, what did I tell you? We have to add zeros. Here we have to,
numbers.
after 9, 8, if I do one more 0, here how many decimal places?
3.
3. Here I have to add 2 zeros. 1, 2, 3. How many decimal places here now? 3 decimal places. So here, children, we will check the number of places. Are they equal number of decimal places in all? Here we have 3 decimal place. Here also 3. Here also 3. Now these unlike fraction decimals became like decimals. So children, how we can convert unlike decimals to like decimals? What we have to do, first step, you have to identify which number have maximum number of decimal places. Maximum number of decimal places. And in all other numbers, you have to place zeros to make it like that decimals. Okay, now we will do, let me see who is going to tell me the answer. 7, 5, 3, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9.3. Okay, Alok, I want to make these unlike fractions into like
ma'am.
fractions. So what first step I will do? First step,
Uh,
I will
count the number of decimal places.
count. Here we have 2. Here
And
we
2,
have 3.
3,
Here I have only 1 number of places, decimal. Okay. Then
then add zeros.
but before adding zeros, you have to identify which number have more number of decimal places. More number of decimal places. Tell me here, which number have more number of decimal places?
2.467.
So how many number decimal places we have? The maximum?
3.
3. Okay. So children, in all the numbers, we should have how many decimal places? 3. So after 5, 3, how many 0 I have to add?
1
3?
0.
1
1
0.
0.
5, 3. So that became 3 decimal. Here already we have 3 decimal place. So no need to add 0.
Add
What
zeros.
about the last one?
2 zeros.
2 zeros.
Add 2 zeros.
So here it's also, now this became 3 decimal. Here also now it becomes 3 decimal places. Here also 3. So here 3 decimal, second number, third number, all have 3 decimal places. Now these unlike fractions became, unlike decimals became like decimals. Okay, children. Is there anyone have a doubt to convert unlike decimals to like decimals? Yes? Understood? So can I give one question?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, take out your rough book. Convert the given unlike fractions convert the given unlike decimals to like decimal, unlike decimals to like decimals. Convert the given unlike decimals to like decimals. 0.74 to 12.06, 8.5, 17.12. So children, when you write, try to write the numbers one below the other. First, when you start, children make the numbers line up, the decimal places. Make it line up, then it will be easy for you to identify how many zeros should be. So 17.12. So it will help you to identify the decimal places, number with the maximum decimal places, and how many more zeros to be added. Okay. So write one below the other, line up the decimal points. Okay, now let me see who. Children finished? Brightlin, can you say the answer? Brightlin. First step, identify the number with the maximum decimal place. Tell me which number here. Yes, Brightlin? Unmute.
0.742.
This is the number that have maximum number of decimal places. What's that?
Places.
Here how many? 3 decimal. Yes?
3 decimal.
So we should make all the numbers, decimal numbers with the
All the numbers.
3. So tell me
3 decimal.
12.06. How many zeros?
1 0.
When I add 1 0, it becomes now 3. Before it was only 2, now it
decimals.
become 3. Yes.
3.
Then 8.5. How many zeros?
8.5, 2 zeros.
2 zeros. 2 zeros. When you add 2 zeros, it becomes 3 decimal place. Okay.
3 decimal places.
And the last one,
17.210.
1, 2,
1
then we
0.
will add only 1 0, then
1
it becomes 3 decimal place.
3 decimal places.
Okay. So here children, what first step you have to identify the number with maximum number of decimal places. Decimal places means the places after the decimal point. We will not check the number before. We will not consider that. We will consider only after the decimal points. So here we have 3. So that is the maximum. Here we have 2. So we have to add only 1. Here we have only 1. So you have to add 2 zeros. Here we have 2. We have to add 1 0. Okay. Yes, children. Okay. So, is there any doubt, children?
No.
Okay.
No,
So
ma'am.
like decimals, this you have to be very, you have to understand, because we are going to learn now equivalent decimals. Don't get confused with the equivalent decimals and like decimals. So remember, like decimals and unlike decimals. Like decimals and unlike decimals. So what is the like decimals? Like decimals means we have the number of decimal places. That is the number of places after the decimal point. It should be the same number of decimal places. So what we learned, convert unlike decimals to like decimals. So Agni, what we have to do first? How we can convert unlike decimals to like decimal?
Which
First,
decimal has more decimal places? We should
First what we have done here in this question, convert the given unlike decimals to like decimals. First step, what we will do? We will identify the number with maximum number of decimal places. Then next step,
We should add zeros to reach that many decimal places.
okay, we should add as many zeros to the right side of the decimal point. Okay. So children, take out your rough book again. One more question we will do. Convert convert the given decimals. Here, children, convert the same question. Convert the given unlike decimals to like decimals. So first step, identify the decimal number with maximum number of decimal places. Then the second step, add as many zeros to the right side of the decimal point. Okay, right side of the decimal, the last number also. So same question, convert the given unlike decimals to like decimals. Okay, question number 42.7, 53.28, 261.135, and one more number, 11.01. 11.01. So we have how many decimal numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal place. So children, first I told you, you can write one below the other. 42.7. Line up the decimal points. 53.28. Line up the decimal point, then it will be easy for you. 261.135. 11.01. Convert these unlike decimals to like decimals. So the questions 42.7, 53.28, 261.135, 11.01. Okay, Devak, first what we had to do? First what we had to do? First step 1.
Count the digits.
Count the digits. So here I have here only one decimal. We have to count the decimal places. Then here we have one decimal. And what about here?
2,
2. Here?
3,
3. Here?
2.
Tell me what is the first step? Identify?
Identify the largest one.
Identify the decimal number with the maximum number of decimal point. Here which is the number which have more?
1.135.
261.135. This is first step. Identify the number with the maximum number of decimal places. Okay. So how many decimal places here?
3.
3. So we have to make all other numbers with 3 decimal places. Okay. So what I have to do?
Add 0.
Add zeros to the right side. So 42.7. How many zeros I had to add?
2, 0.
2 0. So here when I have 42.7, when I add here it becomes 3 decimal place. Okay. What about the next one?
1, 0.
50.28. Where should I add the 0?
1, 0.
Where should I add the 0?
After 2, 8.
After 2 8, I have to add 0. So now total how many decimal places?
3.
3. So here it becomes 3 decimal place. Okay. And 135 here already it has 3 decimal. So no need to change anything. Okay. What about the last number? 11.01.
1, 0.
10. If I add, it becomes 11.010. So how many decimal places together here?
3.
Okay. So these unlike decimals became
like
decimals. So look at the children question, the convert the given unlike. So can you tell me what is unlike decimal? Yes? Yes, Anandesh, can you say what is unlike decimals? Can you say what is unlike decimal?
Ma'am, unlike decimals are the numbers with the decimal digits same.
It's no was not clear. Audio was not
Ma'am,
clear.
ma'am, the
The
decimal
number of
digits are
decimal
not
places.
same.
The number of decimal places are not same. Okay. The number of
Yes, ma'am.
decimal places. Okay. Very good. The number of decimal places not same means after the decimal point, the number of decimal. Look here, we have 1 decimal point, here 2 decimal, here 3 decimal, here 2 decimal. So they are unlike decimals. So the question is to convert the given unlike decimals to like. So when we add as many zeros to the right side, we got all the decimals with decimal numbers with the same number of decimal places. So the answer, all of you got correct answer? Only thing what we had to do, you had to identify the number with maximum number of decimal places. Then second step, add as many zeros to the right side of the number, last digit after the decimal point. Okay. Can you please take out your workbook? Workbook. Question number 14. Question number 14. Question number 13, I told you to do as homework. Question number, Isha, can you read question number 14? Yes.
Convert the following unlike decimals into like decimals.
Okay.
A.
Convert the following unlike decimals into like decimals. Question number A. Can you read question number A?
38.6.
38.
13.72. No, 13.72. 29.02. 65.03.
Okay. So these children, please mute your audio. Question number 14. Question number 14. Page number 59 from the workbook. Page 59. So question number A. What is the question? It is given unlike decimals. So you can write unlike decimal. The question, you can write the question unlike decimals. What is the question? 38.6, 13.72, 29.02, and one more number is there, 65.203. 65.203. We have to convert these unlike decimals to like decimals. Like decimals. So we will write like decimals. Okay, children, try to do alone. Identify the number with maximum decimal places. Add as many zeros to the right side of the last digit after the decimal point. After the decimal point. So like this, you have to write question number 14A, unlike decimals. Write the question, then write as the next step, like decimal. Okay, Rohit, can you say the answer, Rohit?
38.600.
Before that, tell me which number have maximum number of decimal places?
65.203.
65.203. How many decimal places?
3.
3. So we should make all the numbers with the 3 decimal place. Okay. Can you tell the answer?
38.600.
Okay. How many zeros you added?
2.
2. Very good. Okay. Now, next one.
13.720.
13.720. How many zero? Only 1 zero added. Yes. Then?
29.020.
0 to 0. Okay. Then last thing, last number 65.203. No need to do anything. No need to add any zeros. Okay, children. Yes, did you get the answer? Yes, Agnay?
Ma'am, I didn't write on like decimals is equal to like decimals is equal to.
What do you have written? You have written only the answer. Huh? Directly means no problem, because unlike decimal, that is the same question we are writing again. We have place there. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Can you do question number B alone, children? Question number B, you can do the step. Okay, Agnay.
Okay,
Right.
ma'am.
Unlike decimals, write the question and do the answer alone. Unlike decimals, then write the question. 49.091, 76.1, 30.28, 18.49. This is the question. So we are just writing unlike decimals, because we know all the decimal places, they are not having the same number of decimal places. So write like decimals. All the children do it alone. Gautam finished?
Ma'am, finished.
Okay. So Gautam, can you say which is number have maximum number of decimal places?
49.
49 point?
49.091.
Okay. How many decimal places?
3.
3. So we had to make all the numbers with the 3 decimal places. Okay. Can you tell the answer?
Yes,
49,
ma'am.
yes. 49 point.
76.1.
First number also we had to write it. That number is 49.091, comma 76.100.
76.100.
You had to add 2 zeros. Yes. Then
30.280.
okay, very good.
18.490.
490. Okay. Then children, please check whether all the numbers have same number of decimal places. 091. We have all the numbers have 3 decimal places. So this unlike decimal became
Like
like decimals. Okay, very good. So these unlike decimals converted into, we converted
into
unlike decimals
like fraction.
like decimals. Okay, children, all of you got the answer? Yes? Can you show me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yes. Okay, children, so we'll wind up the class now. Okay, so next class 12:55. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.